This is the exterior elevator at Fashion Show Mall, Las Vegas, Nevada. I think this is an MEI if I remember correctly from videos. Here it comes. Yeah, this is an MEI. I can see the indicator. Barely. Oh.
We'll do close your bed.
Oh shoot, you're not going anywhere. Might have a good motor. All right, let's see if we have a good motor. Down?
Yeah.
Which one?
The first floor, no? Yep. Yep. No, that's good. It's comfy. It's comfy.
Innovation, not Bruiser. Universal. There you go.
Thank you.
Okay, there's your cab. It's a very basic elevator. Cool thing, it's got glass doors, but they really tried to cover that up. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.